Good morning. It's Labor Day weekend, and we're getting ready to head to Ocean City. But I finally got my 10-inch chain pipe cutter from eBay, and I'm going to use this to finish the repair on my '04 Toyota Sequoia. I don't know if you've seen that, but the upper frame rail was rotted out, and I took a 3-inch drive shaft tube and tapped it all the way through and then welded the ends and painted it. Now in the center sections, I'm going to cut out the rot and get that off, and then I'm going to make sleeves and slide them inside for the gap differences on both sides, and then I'm going to weld the new tubing in and then paint everything, finishing up the chassis repairs on the '04 Sequoia. Stay tuned. Thank you for your support, and I'm going to try and get to this Tuesday when I get back to work. And it's been a long time since I've had a tubing cutter. I started with Midas in 1991. And believe it or not, we did use chain cutters. But the problem with the chain cutters are, once the wheels start getting chipped and broke, they're no good. So I kind of stopped using that because it was useless for me. And then went to a Sawzall. You just bust out the Sawzall. It's wired to 110. Change the blade when you have any issues. It's so much easier and faster. But if you take your time and use this right, it will last a good long time. And it does cut very well, as far as I do remember. Back then we had ones where you just squeezed it with your hands without, having to do all this fancy stuff, and then just work it like that. But I was looking and I couldn't find them anymore. So I'm going to give this a go, and I'll let you know how everything goes and do a video about it, how it works. Thanks for watching.